It's gonna be a little bit windy. Plus, we're next to the freeway, so I'm pretty sure you hear that traffic as well. But I don't have the machine or tool that you put wheel bearings in for a vehicle. So I've already done the other side. It's almost completely done. I'm not really doing a full video on this, namely because this is the first time that I've actually done this on this truck. So I'm no expert by any means, but I have packed several wheel bearings in my day with my grandfather, my pawpaw. So if you don't got the tool to do it, that's all you need right there. So you take your can of grease, get a couple fingers worth, make sure your hands are somewhat clean, because you don't want to incorporate any type of other nastiness into your bearing. Okay, and you can kind of see that your bearings are kind of like cone shaped a little bit. All right, and then the back, if you feel it, it actually has like a ridge on that outer race. Okay, so if you take that ridge and you just scoop it into your hand like this, just keep picking up just a little bit of grease, a little bit at a time. As you're doing that, eventually you'll start to see the grease come out the top. See? It's starting to squeeze out the top right here. So whenever that happens, you can scrape the grease from the inside, okay, and then you just rotate it to the next spot. Just keep going all the way around your bearing until the whole thing is full. I'll set that down so I'm running out of grease and the inside of it out. So yeah, I'm sure it's a lot cleaner whenever you have the proper tool, but even then, it still gets a little messy. Which, I mean, you probably should be wearing gloves, but whenever you're wearing gloves to do this, it rips the gloves, so it's kind of pointless. Right? And then you can just get it all nice, caked up. Inside and out. Alright. So, bearings completely full. Alright, packed up. So I'll put it back into my rag until it's ready to be installed. Alright, so there you go.